Jackie B with Math Hot by Jackie B, and this is a video preview of my escape room on combinations and permutations word problems. So this is housed on Google Sites like all of my escape rooms. There is a scenario that explains to the students how they got locked in a room at the museum. It involves them messing around, looking for, exploring on their own, and the math teacher said, okay, you like exploring, you can now explore and find 12 word problem clues. So as they click around the room, they will click on objects, and every single clue will be a word problem that they will need to solve. They'll need to record the answer and the clue number. So it tells them the clue number right up here. Write this down for clue number 10. And they can either write it on a sheet of paper or they can use a digital tracking sheet that's included. So this is just a Google slide, easily assigned through Google Classroom, and they can type right in and turn that in. Now, remember, when they're going through the clues, there will be word problems, exclusively word problems, 12 word problems, but there will also be some decoys. So not everything will be a clue. When they get to a decoy, there's nothing to do other than go back to the room. And then once they've found all 12 clues, they'll go ahead and click on this keypad, and it will ask, have you found all 12 clues? And they'll go ahead and start answering the question. So the first one is their name. That's the easiest question. And then it just asks, what's the answer to clue number 1, clue number 2? Looks like my internet is glitching a little. So clue number 1, clue number 2, and so on. When they have solved all of them, they will get this message. It says, congratulations, you've escaped. At this point, they can either hit submit, and you can request access to this lock. There's a link in the PDF. And once you request access, it will allow you to see your student submissions. You could also have them either turn in the digital tracking sheet, or I've included a digital worksheet. And maybe you could just have them take a screenshot of this. I usually have my kids take a screenshot of this and email it to me. Either way works. My kids really like this one. Even though it's word problems, they do have a good time going through the escape room and trying to figure out what are clues and where are decoys. And I do let them work in teams on this one when we're in the classroom, but 2020 being what it is, they're going to work on this one remotely. I hope your kids love it as much as mine. Check out my store, Teachers Pay Teachers, Math Hot by Jackie B. Thanks for watching.